channel. In today's video, I'll show you how I styled this Amazon wig. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is the wig right here. It comes in this plastic packaging. Comes with a black wig cap, a headband, the wig comes with fishnet, and this wig is 16 inches. It's a passion twist. These twists are so pretty, and this matches my hair texture perfectly. It's a headband wig, has the adjustable strap, 2 combs in the front, and 1 in the back. So let's get to styling. I'm going to show you 2 ways to style this wig. The first way is with the headband, and then the second style, I'm going to twist my real hair in the front to blend it in with the wig. So what I'm going to do is spray my hair with water. And I'm natural, as you can tell. I've been natural for over 15 years. Normally I would use Eco Styler, but I ran out, so I'm going to use Got To Be Gel. So I'm just going to put this in the front and brush my hair back. I might leave the sides out. I don't know. If I'm looking down, it's because I have a mirror. My hair is just in twists and in a ponytail. Let me show you how well this matches my hair. This is the wig's twist, and this is my twist right here. It's like a perfect blend. This is a great protective style. Style. I just flipped it over. This is easy. It looks natural. And you can push the headband forward if you want. But I like it pushed back like this. Show you the back. Move on to style number 2. Okay, so this is the second style, and if you saw the previous clip, I only took out a little bit of hair, but I actually had to take out my ponytail and take out more hair to cover the headband. These are my twists right here. This is the wigs twist. So this blend is on point. It's very natural. This would be my favorite style. This is how I'm going to wear the wig. It's very natural. Let me show you the back. You can tuck it behind your ear like that. Can either pin the sides up. Pin it to the side. This wig is very versatile. It's a great protective style. So I actually have one more style. So let's move on to style number 3. Okay, I wanted to show you one more style. This will be the last style. I just pinned half of the hair up. And obviously I will make it neater. Just put some baby hairs down. And this is a cute protective style. Overall, I give this wig an 8 out of 10. The only cons that I have is it's a little puffy. I would like it more flat. And besides that, this is a good protective style. It's a good length and it's affordable. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.